Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to make a simple egg tray in SolidWorks by using extruded boss command, extruded cut command, fillet command, linear pattern and shell command. So keep watching this video till end. Let's start by sketching on front plane. Draw a rectangle from origin. Now define it 26 and 87. Now press OK button and in the features tab select extruded boss base command and extrude it up to 7 millimeters and press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch on it, make normal to and select ellipse, draw it like this. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these points and make relation horizontal. Now define it 12 millimeters and 8 millimeters. Now define this distance 3 millimeter and this distance is also 3 millimeters. Now in the features tab select extruded cut command, cut it up to 5 millimeters and then turn on draft. Increase the degree up to 27 and press OK. Now select fillet command, fillet radius 2 and click on this face. Also click on this edge, press OK button. Now click on linear pattern button and then select this line as direction 1 and this line for direction 2. In the direction 1 we need 2 instances and the distance between both instances is 12. Scroll down. For direction 2 the distance is 17 millimeters and instances are 5. Now click on this box features and faces and then drop down this arrow, select fillet and cut extrude 2. Reverse the direction 1 by clicking on this button, press OK button. Now click on shell command here and select all these faces one by one. Also select this face. The thickness is 1 millimeter and press OK button. Again press OK button. So egg crate is almost ready. One more step is left. So again click on fillet command here, set the fillet radius 5. If your computer is slow, check to this box no preview. Now select all these 4 corners one by one. Now check to this box full preview. Press OK button. So see how easily we have created such type of accurate by using linear pattern fillet command and shell command in SolidWorks. If you need any help, you can contact me on my Facebook. My Facebook page link is written in the description of this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching this video.